Okay, here we have how to make a round dowel without power tools. So, as you can see, I have a nice kind of dowel going there. And I only needed to make one. I couldn't find anything online, so what I have here is like a jig here. So you can see screw going into the piece of wood. It was square on both sides. Well, that just spins there. And then to make the dowel the height I want, measure from the base to the center of the dowel, and then from the center of the dowel add half the diameter that you want your dowel to be, and then that will be the height of these rails that are just screwed in on the side. So once the rails are there, then it's just a matter of taking your plane, putting it on the rails, and you're going to go all the way across until it's flush on the sides. And there you go. And you get a nicer, and then after you can just sand it, and away you go. So I just thought, if somebody's looking how to make a round dowel without power tools. Of course, if you need to make more, then you're better off getting a lathe or whatever, but if you just need a one-off, there you go.